A fish? Yeah, that's a fishy. I don't know if this is a shad or not. It's feeling pretty heavy, but stronger current here, so who knows. This might be a catfish, I don't know. Oh boy, my other line's going. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is not good. I got two fish on. Y'all. What's this one? What is this guy? Oh, yep, it's a catfish. It's a blue. Yeah, well, that's probably a catfish too. I'm gonna deal with this one. All right. All right, this is just a small little blue, so we'll get this one out. There we go. Look at that pole, it's going. I'm float fishing with that one. There we go. There's a small blue. We'll let that guy go. This feels way better. I might be in a bad spot here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drag him over here. Maybe I can work him around. It's a nicer blue. That is a nicer blue right there. How you doing, feller? I see you went after white perch today. Yeah, you're a little bit bigger, aren't you? You are a tad bit bigger. There we go. This is a lot nicer of a blue right here, boy. Look at this. Fantastic. Let you go over here. All right. Well, I guess I'm going to start off the video with two catches back to back on two different lines. I had the shad spoon on the first one. I was just trying to catch a shad or a white perch or something. I had a float rig on here, and I caught that bigger blue with a piece of cut bait, man. What a way to start a video, huh? I should start every video like that. But yeah, we are kayak catfishing today, so obviously. So let's get back to it. Fish? Yep. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, come on, be another catfish, please. That'd be awesome. Whoa. Whoa, bro. Wow. Actually, just might be a shad. Oh, it's a striper, dude. This would be my first striper of the year if I land this guy. Oh, dude, get in the net. Yes! Off the shad spoon, y'all. I am recording, right? Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. The current's taking me for a little bit of a ride. Hang on. Oh, whoa, bro. Chill, bro. Look at you. Look at you, little fatty. Off the shad spoon. Look at that. Let's give you a little bit of air. Look at you and your fat belly. Let's go ahead and weigh you just for the heck of it, since you're the first one of the year. 2 pounds 0 ounces. 2 pounds on the button, my friend. I got some photos of you. You made me very happy today. First striper of the year right there. He fought so good on my little 8 pound mono line. Here you go, fella. Woo, y'all, I've been getting skunked for a little while ever since those first 2 catfish, man. And then all of a sudden I started drifting down the river, just throwing out that shad spoon, and by golly, caught a striper, huh? Woo, 2 good cats and a nice striper. I could go home with nothing else and still be very happy. Fish on? Oh yeah, fish on. This is small. This is like a white perch or something. Oh, maybe not. Maybe could be a shad. Probably white perch though. Probably white perch. Uh-oh. Get back over this side, buddy. Oh no, it's a shad. Look at that. Oh, he went right into my net almost. Here we go. That is most likely a female. Got a big old belly. Ah. So we're just gonna let that one go. Bye-bye. If I catch a small male, maybe I'll try to use it as bait. I don't have too much left of this white perch. Well, there we go. That's a new species for today. Shad, striper, and blue catfish. I think they were blue. Could be white. I don't really know the difference, to be honest with you. But I'll just say blue. Looks like I need a new battery in the camera. So let's do that. Ooh, is that a hit? That's a hit. That's a hit. Oh my gosh. That's a hit. That's a good hit. Yeah, boy, what I'm after. Come on, get in there. Get in there. There we go. There we go, boy. Another kitty cat. There we go. Probably the smallest one of the day, but there we go. How you doing, fella? Bye-bye. Went after the cut up white perch that I caught as soon as I launched this kayak. Just rig that sucker back up, I guess, yeah. Whoop. Oh, take, look at that, look at that. Ooh. Oh, it came off. I hope you can see it was right there. Fish, fish on. Ah, another little white perch. Good size one, good size one. Decent little guy right there. Oh, fish on. This feels like a shad. We'll see. It's coming right at me, whatever it is. Whee! Oh no, is it? What is it? Oh, it is. It's a small shad. It's a small male, but bye-bye, small male. I would have kept it, but I kept that white perch right there for bait. Ooh, that's another fish. 2 casts in a row. Boom! Look at that jump. See that jump? Whoa, it's taking me under. Oh, he popped off. Right there, he popped off right at the boat. I guess I can't count that, huh? So I got 3 poles going. One right here, one right behind me right there. Both just kind of sinking a little low. Not on the bottom, but like close to the bottom. And then I got the shad spoon right here, just catching whatever white perch and shad wants to play today. Woo! Yeah, all right. Solid shad. Oh, get me all wet. Oh, well, it was one heck of a day. First striper, what was it, 3 blue catfish, a bunch of shad, and a bunch of white perch. I know I said last week that last week was probably my best kayak fishing day. I think this beat it. I promised myself I wouldn't stay exactly till sunset. That way I don't have to deal with the kayak in the dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it, which is hard for me to do. I almost always fish till dark. It's a little harder when you're kayak fishing or on any sort of boat. I hope you enjoyed this fishing video. I had so much fun making it, lots of great catches. Hit that like and sub button, all that good stuff you know what to do. See you next time, guys. Peace out.